Why does your scanner show the P3200 engine code? What does it mean? P3200 is a diagnostic trouble code for manufacturer-controlled DTC. This engine code indicates that it's often associated with vehicles with electronically controlled automatic transmissions. This code signals a problem in the drive system that requires immediate attention. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: air supply system issues, fuel system issues, transmission issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Acura, Honda, and Mitsubishi models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.